It was a joke? Did you think it was a joke? Because back at it again. Coleslaw on deck in the corner there, the pepper sauce. Just no. Back at it again. Okay, where are we going?
Hey, bitches! Tell them.
Tell them where we're
going to the club.
We're going to the
AKA 42. Come through. You will have the time of your life.
Is this like Ebony's vlogs?
Yes, it's my vlog.
Oh, me Ross.
Ebony.
Oh my god!
Thank you. I might not even wear it. Like, I'm actually cold.
What is that?
A top. Because I don't go to club. I don't know what a club top is. Okay, on deck, bodies on deck. These are my friends.
Hi!
If you didn't know them before, you see.
Day one since day one.
I like Trini to the bone. Watch her things right there.
Oh.
It's riding.
Oh my god, they're wearing the same shirt and it's riding bodysuit.
No, let me tell you about the bodysuit. It's actually like cutting the fucking middle of my ass cheeks.
And
like,
plus I'm wearing
in
a
the
thong
middle.
on top of that.
Oh my gosh, guys, for the vlog, it's a little too much information.
Vlog, fam! For the vlog!
Yes, for the vlog.
They wear thongs too.
Alright, bro. These girls just love to smoke and have the windows down. So cold. Bro, I can't do it. Get your hair did. That's me. My hairdresser spot. She's coming soon. You guys get to meet her. When your hairdresser just slays in so many ways. I just can't. I can't. Hair's almost done. I'll be looking fleeky with those 24 inches.
How leaving your makeup done?
Right? Like, whoa, chill. She does everything, hooks you up. My hair be laid. Laid for the gods, honey. Whoa, like, can you not? Like, what? Okay, and I'm in like a strobe light or whatever light this is, and like, look at that blendation. If that's even a word I made up, because this blendation is ridiculous. Ridiculous.
It ain't finished until you lay them edges.
Yeah. Where you from? Tell them where you from.
Represent Durham. Oh, look at me. I look so tired. Check out my Instagram though.
I know some of you need to fix your head tops, so don't be shy.
Yes, I do accept all.
She accepts all hair types. Anybody that needs some help, she's there. Okay? I feel brand new, guys. Brand new. Let me just say I feel brand new. But like, you guys don't get it. Like, look at the inches on this. Ooh. Ooh. Don't hate, because you know my hair's a laid. Holla, for real.
You know what they say though? You always end up looking like how your hairstyles look. So I find that most of my clients kind of look like their hair looks like me.
Yeah.
That's a good look. That's a good look.
You already know, you already know. Pretty sure you can't do this at a regular salon. So. Getting the fresh shots right now. Whole family on fleek. You guys didn't know? Hey, Christian. How you doing?
I'm good.
Say hi to the owner. Say hello.
Hello.
Tired. Working hard. It's good luck. They work hard at all my sons. Look at this.
It's a time machine, isn't it?
What did you really buy though? We're in the mall again. What do you need to buy?
I'm getting a pant because we need to wear pants.
We don't need to be in the mall, you know.
Please leave. Like,
So wicked pants, bro.
no 90, Jordan. Let's go.
It's not bad. For $15. Oh, it's $20.
No. Put it down.
It looks better when you put it on, trust.
It looks like you had a regular green bright jeans and you went to the dirt, wash it. Look, wash it.
Put there, man. Put it here, put it here, put it there. Now, come on.
Like, are you out to shop? Bye. Hurry up, man. Trying to go now.
So I have stuff to do at home after I went to the library, so do fast.
She's all about her schoolwork. No, never about no fun.
I've been at this mall for how long?
Should I get this pants?
Oh no, I already.
Look strips. Put it down.
Those pants are terrible.
Okay, guys. When he's found something, we'll let you know. You ready?
Yes.
We going out tonight. You already know me, my baby. I know he's not really on the vlogs, but you know, he's not a ghost. He's real.
Very real.
Okay. But yeah, where are we going? Like North York?
I don't know, this is your friend party.
Yeah.
I don't even know where I'm going.
House is it's like 30 minutes away, so it's not too bad. Alright, yo. We'll see you when you get there.
Alright, yo, later.
Bye.
Later.
Well, this is what we're dealing with, and we're not going nowhere. I know you guys can't see it, but like, it's actually like flurry. Well, not flurry, but like bare snow.
Can we do it like, oh?
Too much snow and too many people driving like maniacs. We're not going anywhere.
Yep, we have to make a swift U-turn still. Not knowing what to do. Hey, yo, I can't even see.
Oh, sorry.
What are you doing? You know, I'm moving from the mirror. I can't see.
Sorry. You better? Okay.
Yes.
So, but can I go now? Okay, so basically, too snowy outside. We canceled our trip to North York.
Wasting
And-
enough gas.
Okay, but like the experience, okay? When it's snowing like this, we'll never go out again. So since we just got ready, we're just gonna have a quick 1-2 drink of Island Mix. Baby's gonna eat because he's always hungry, and yeah.
I'm always hungry.
Okay, but yeah, I'll show you guys my drink when I get it. I'll get my Long Island iced tea. You know that's my fave. It's my favorite. He knows that. So. Hey, what did I tell you guys? Getting my drink on. No drinking and driving, right?
No drinking and driving. Plus it's snowing outside, so be safe. No, I did not get paid to say that. Stay safe on the roads out there.
That's fine, you know. About to dig in. Drink number 2. Are you tired? You guys tired of the soca? Never tired of the soca, hey. When you want so good, yeah. Sing it. Hold on. of it.
Wait.
Baby. We're just gonna chill, relax, probably sleep. Had a few glasses of wine. Well, a shot of wine, if that's even a thing. I just see I don't want one little squeal.
What you sipping on, baby? What you sipping on? What's that?
Barefoot Chardonnay, that's what I hear though. But yeah. Fair face, beautiful.
You're so annoying. Don't lay down with me, man.
Lay down my baby. Good night, guys. Good night.